Rowan and the Mysterious Puddle. It had been raining all morning. 4-year-old Rowan pressed his nose against the living room window, watching raindrops race down the glass. When will it stop? He sighed. I wanted to go outside. The rain stopped and the sun peeked out from behind the clouds. Mom! The rain stopped! Can I go out now? His mom peeked her head out of the kitchen. Sure, Rowan! But don't forget your rain boots and jacket! It's still wet out there. Rowan put on his bright yellow rain boots and his favorite blue jacket. As soon as he stepped outside, the air smelled fresh and clean. But what really caught Rowan's attention was the puddle in the middle of the yard. It wasn't like any puddle he'd seen before. For one thing, it was big, almost as wide as a sandbox. Rowan knelt down and peered into the puddle. Instead of his own face, he saw a tiny jungle. A dinosaur waved up at him. Rowan blinked. Whoa! That's not normal! The dinosaur said, "Come on." Rowan hesitated. Mom always says not to jump in big puddles. But she's never seen one like this before. Rowan took a big hop and landed right in the middle of the puddle. Instead of a splash, he felt a whoosh, like sliding down a long, twisty slide. When he opened his eyes, he was no longer in his backyard. He was standing in the tiny jungle he'd seen, surrounded by animals. The dinosaur scampered up to him. Hi there! I'm Dino! Thanks for coming! We need your help! Rowan's eyes widened. Help with what? Our playground! Squeaked a mouse wearing a red bow tie. The rain washed it all away. Can you help us build a new one? Rowan grinned. Building stuff is my favorite thing! Let's do it! Dino led Rowan to a clearing where tiny swings and slides lay scattered. Together, Rowan and his friends worked as a team. Rowan used twigs to build a ladder for the slide, while a group of ants carried bits of leaves to make a swing seat. A bunny helped Rowan tie the pieces together with long blades of grass. By the time they finished, the playground looked even better than before. The animals cheered, and Dino handed Rowan a shiny toy. This is for you, to remember us by. If you ever need to come back, just hold it tight and jump in a puddle. Rowan tucked the toy into his jacket pocket. Thanks, Dino! This was the best adventure ever! With a final wave to his new friends, Rowan jumped back into the puddle and whooshed back to his backyard. The sun was shining, and the mysterious puddle was now just an ordinary one. Rowan looked at the toy and smiled. He couldn't wait for the next rainy day.